Hi, good morning everyone. It's Dr. Bennett and Dr. Danley here, and today's lab is all about measurements of distances. So what we've got today is two different types of sensors. We have an infrared sensor and also an ultrasonic sensor, and we're going to use those to measure the distance to three different types of target. So we have a metal target, a wooden one, and also a foam target. So we're going to look at the appropriateness of those sensors to measure the distances to those targets. Ultimately, we're going to find a data sheet for each of those sensors from scratch.
We're going to use this benchtop hardware to both power our instruments and also sanity check the instruments. Ultimately, we're going to use LabVIEW data acquisition hardware. But generally speaking, you always want to verify the functionality of the instrument before you add the complexity of adding the LabVIEW acquisition. So our function generator is going to allow us to send a pulse input to our ultrasonic sensor. We'll talk more about how that works later. Our oscilloscope is going to let us validate and verify that our ultrasonic sensor is working by measuring the pulse signal. And then we've got our power supply, which is going to be required for excitation out of both of our sensors. And then the multimeter is going to verify the functionality of our IR sensors. So at this point, we're going to start wiring up both of the sensors and verify their functionality.